which assignments exactly you are going to solve. Okay, now let me share my screen. So here you see week 4 AWS P1 means part 1. Now if you see here you have the assignment. And what is this assignments? It's here. Forget about this gradings and all. Akash is going to fix all those, okay, in some time. So this is your this week assignments. Let me explain you where this assignment is. This assignment is on YouTube itself. So now anyone is watching on the YouTube. If you don't have access to the Udemy, still you can do all these assignments. What is the first assignment of this week? Okay, hosting static websites. You know where this will be on the S3. Second assignment, deploying React application on the virtual machine. Third assignment, deploy Epic Book Monolith application. Fourth assignment, deploying two-tier application architecture. And fifth assignment, making this two-tier application architecture high available. Now, irrespective of all of these assignments, so these assignments, where is the assignments? So click here on the link, and this will take you on YouTube. What is the assignment? Hands-on hosting a static website, and this is hands-on hosting a static website. So this is going to open the same assignments hands-on which I have did in this video. Okay, so what you need to do, okay, you have to watch this, and once you watch this hands-on you have to do yourself, and you have to submit as assignments. Guys, am I making sense? Type MK in the chat box. So here, ideally, if you're understanding, you don't have to go and do the assignments. You have to watch this hands-on session, and out of this hands-on session, you have to create your own assignments. Okay? Now, again, if you scroll down, if you go here, right, again, you see same here, okay? Here, hosting hands-on. So this is, you haven't watched that, right? So if you remember, in simple storage, I asked you to only watch up to here, correct? So now you have to go and watch these two and do the assignments. Similar, if you see here, you haven't in the EC2, right? You have watched up to here. You haven't watched this one, correct? So you have to watch this and complete these assignments. Let's go back here once again, okay? Deploy React application. If you click here, open this, deploy React application. So you have to watch this, and then you have to submit this essay assignment. Guys, this is clear? Perfect. So now, as of now, if you see, right, deploy React application, okay? Now, if you go in the description here, right? We are here in EC2, right? Now your most important assignment is going to start from there, from the RDS, okay? You are going to deploy your Monolith application. Try to understand here. As of now, what you are doing is just you understood EC2 instance, right? But once you complete your RDS, after that, you exactly know how to host the entire application. Okay, guys, is this clear? So again, now let's say you want to solve these assignments. Click here, okay? Okay, you see here, okay? So guys, now I hope understand, you know where your assignments, what exactly you need to do. Clear, guys? If clear, type clear in the chat box. No, you don't. You have 1 week to submit these assignments. Okay, so assignment submission deadline would be given somewhere. Okay, so this need to be submitted by upcoming Friday night. Okay, guys, perfect. Let me stop sharing my screen.